Hey everybody, it's Matt, and I just bought me a brand new push mower. So we're gonna check it out, unbox it, do a little review. Got it right here. Let's check it out. This is a Yard Machines by MTD push mower. It's pretty basic, 20-inch deck on it, and it cost me $125 from Menards, which is actually a pretty good price. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is open this box up and see what this thing looks like coming out of the box. Alright, some assembly required. Let's see, got my wheels. Got a lot of hardware. This is a pretty heavy bag of hardware here. Looks like my guard there. So let's see what all we're going to need to put this together. Alright, so we got some pretty hefty reading here. We got a couple operator's manuals. This one is for the push mower itself, and this one's an operator's manual for the engine, 40 or 140cc OHV vertical shaft engine. And this one is basically going to tell you about the taking care of your engine and maintenance on your engine. And this one is your mechanics of your mower, and it's actually going to have the assembly instructions, which is what we need to put this thing together. So there you have it. I'm going to get my tools and let's start putting this thing together and see how long it takes us. Alright, according to the tools required in the book here, you got a 7/16 inch wrench, a 1/2 inch wrench, 9/16, and a 3/4 inch wrench. Or adjustable. It says or adjustable next to each one of those. So I got a couple wrenches, a couple adjustables, and we'll just see how this goes with what I got laying around here. Let's get started. Alright guys, it's starting to rain on me out here, as you can see. And I'm just gonna, since there's no gas or oil in this thing, it doesn't stink, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in my house and finish assembling it there. Let's try that. Alright guys, so we got it put together, ready to go. It only took me about 10-15 minutes, piece of cake. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my gas, and I got the oil. This oil actually came with the lawnmower in this nice little pouch, easy to pour, and it's the exact amount you will need. So just use that. And we're gonna go ahead and put this oil in there and this gas in there and start her up and see how she runs. right, so there you have it, guys. All in all, it's a great mower, 125 bucks. Now that's a sale price, probably because it's getting towards the end of the summer. So if you need a new lawnmower, get it soon. This is a great deal on a great little mower. So check it out. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Matt's Big Dream. We'll see you next time. Peace.